Make a great choice today with the 2017 Toyota Rav4. The Rav4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, Rav4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, steel wheels, front all-season tires, rear all-season tires. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.